It's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today basically I'll be showing you guys or talking about my bias today on EURUSD, right? So overall, you can see overall we're actually ranging. If you watch the previous video, that is the video on the NFP, right? I'll be dropping the video link, or check the previous video. I'll be dropping the link on the video description. So I talk much about this Euro USD ranging. You should know where these lines actually came out from. It's not just a random line, right? So like there was what we are viewing, and that was why we marked it out. And believe me, price just took out this side, retrace, failing to actually break higher. You understand? So just wait for price around here or anything for it to sell lower, right? So like overall now you should just be looking for sales, but you can't just start selling right away, right? You just have to wait for price to give you TE. So basically this early morning push up fueled the NF. This was the NFP drop, NFP imbalance, right? So expecting price to maybe come a bit up here so that we can sell, then stops above here, you understand? So like this is just a train walk, and we are heading to New York session. So I believe this sell will happen during the New York session. So like let me bring out my short tool, short position tool. So like expecting price around just here, maybe 1.00 200 or so, anywhere around here, and actually then taking price just low. This full move might not happen today, right? But my target is actually that this is my target 900. This is just my target, even if it does not like happen all today, but like make sure that like if price doesn't take out these highs, you understand? But like my stop loss will just be, you can just put your stop loss here anyway, it doesn't matter. This is around for something, but like I reduce it. I love using like 25 pips or 20 pips stop loss max, right? So I might not like enter this trade at this move. Like I might not enter once price reach here, right? I might just wait if price actually pass my entry or anything or anyhow. So like I'll just use sell stops to enter, or if I see it keeps going down, I'll not enter. So that is called confirmation entry. So like if you have your framework in mind, you have what you're looking out for in mind, you understand? You just have to wait for confirmation. You don't just will I say enter straight up that way. You understand? So basically, this is the sales I'm looking at from Euro USD. Now, I might take the trade, I might not actually trade. But like, if you want to see my updates or anything, do well to join the Telegram channel, right? Like, the link is at the video description. Then, if you have any question, you want to learn or you want to understand anything, you understand, like you have anything you want to ask, you do well to contact me on my WhatsApp, Instagram, or Telegram. I'm always active online anyway. So this is just a market recap on Euro US, what I'm looking out for. So even if from the daily time frame, you understand everything is actually clear. You understand, like expecting today to actually close bullish, but after an expansion, feeling this candle a bit, then we might just end up closing bullish or closing half bullish, then continue tomorrow. I don't literally like trading on Mondays, right? But like this was what I'm looking out for overall. This trade analysis I just done now, it doesn't mean that I'm entering this sell today, because I basically don't like trading on Mondays. This is a massive peep anyway, so even if I take the trades from tomorrow, is a good idea also, you understand? It's not much I will enter today, because Mondays are sometimes not only gonna go to the direction you expect it to. So it's your trade, like depends on more experience. The market is all about like having will I say the experience you have, or like the data you have, or the knowledge you have, you understand? That's what gives you more confidence in taking your trades. So dropping down to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see price literally pushing up, you might expect price taking out this size, but like I don't want this size to be taken out, right? Once this size is taken out, this 1.02412 is a break of structure. Even if this sale does not happen today, but like overall it's still like my framework is what I'm looking out for, you understand? So that is just it. And this is a 120 pips movement, 112 pips movement. So like, and it's a 5 is to 5 2 risk to reward. So like I'm 1 is to 5, like I'm risking 1 to get 5.52. That is what it implies, you understand? So guys, basically thank you for watching. I don't know if I have any other things to show. Okay, let's go check out the today's fundamentals, if there is anything interesting, right? So basically I use investing.com app, you understand? I use investing.com to check my fundamentals. Some people use forex factory, you understand, like can use anything. Like it's not like you use the one you love most, understand. So checking today, there's no major news on USD, you can see. So I don't really think the move is going to happen today, because there is nothing to push the market to where like I don't see any volatility, like pushing the market to the expected liquidity zone or end. So like the market is just gonna be cool today. You don't like expect those crazy moves, right? So that is that. But like let me check tomorrow fundamentals also. Tomorrow. So tomorrow by we have EIA short term energy outlook. So this by this thing 1700 GMT. But like this week overall, but basically your fundamentals is actually great if you understand, if you have the knowledge of it, right? If you have the knowledge of it, because they will actually tell you what with your technicals how you're gonna compose everything, or when some stuff is gonna happen. Many people don't even know what makes the market, like what is actually, like like say moving the market, all the rest of them. But everybody in this game believes that they know what they are doing. Everybody has knowledge, like, but like everything has its own levels, okay? Everything, like there is levels in the game, you understand. It's either you keep growing or you just remain where you are. So it's actually your choice to keep knowing more, you understand, and it's your choice to call yourself the king or the boss and still lose money. So everything is all about choice, okay? And as for me, I'm not actually like, I keep learning every day. I know what I'm learning, both from the market, both from I say the mentors I look out to, or the people I watch, you understand. And I see how people are mentoring, right? So it's a learning process. That is no, but everybody keeps learning, you understand. Even if you have learned more, maybe you start teaching anyway. If you know more, you start teaching then, you understand. So that is just the fact. Literally what I'm trying to say here is that knowledge is just the key. Like the more you know, the more confident you are, you understand. But like many people don't even know, but like they have confidence in losing. So I don't know what their problem is all about. Like I don't know what to tell them, like, you understand. But like anything they want to do is their choice. It's your choice to make money, it's your choice to lose money, it's your choice to invest in yourself to get more knowledge, you understand. That is just the fact. The only truth there is your choice. It's your choice overall to do anything you want to do. If you want to be poor, it's your choice. If you want to be rich, it's your choice. Okay, so like you choose anything you want. So basically here on let me check my USD card analysis. I don't like, okay, this USD card is literally not analyzed anyway from the daily time frame. So like price took out the high, came down, break lower, tested. So still expecting a sell on USD card, but like there was a break of structure higher here, if you can see. So the fact is, if you start seeing, so expect price to just retrace small here, then keep going up, break this and keep going up, maybe break this retest and keep going up. The fact is, once you have knowledge, you don't even need to start drawing trend line, looking for fair value gap, all those stuff. You just look out for the framework you want, like what you are looking out for, using fib and everything as your confluence, like depending on what you use as confluence. You don't really have to, will I say, you don't even need more, like don't need more analysis of anything. So like if this to be okay, let's just say I'm actually bearish. Let me say I'm bullish, like trying to be bullish or anything. Bullish, so bullish from bottom to top. So like price tested the 100, tested 5.0, retraced back. So you might expect price to come to 0.79 of the fib. This 0.79 is premium, right? So expecting price to come at 1.28566 around this place, then you now buy. And what is your next target? 0.2 of the fib. That is, this previous high should be your TP1, then your TP2 should be at the 1.312. That is taking out that other highs. So like you cannot wake up to know this, right? You cannot just like you cannot, like, it's not every up and down like you're looking out for, you understand. For you to understand the up and down, you need to know more, you understand. Like you need more knowledge, right? Because dropping down to the lower time frames also, you see more. And you can see as this is a liquid, this looks like exactly like, let's say, liquidity build up that is going to be swept before anything happens. So expecting price around here. Let me bring out my long term. So expecting price to come at this low or at the middle or anywhere you just want to take, right? This is your TP1, 264 pips, TP2, 373 pips. That is if you can hold. You can actually just keep taking profits on the long run, but overall, let's just 0.32 at least, so the price reach here then retrace. You understand? So as you can see here now, I did not even need to like mark out lines or anything. I've seen a framework, right? Just use some few tools, like with knowledge and experience of everything I have in the market. I just know what I'm looking out for next, right? So like price is definitely gonna come down here, test here and buy. Even if you took out this first high, this is a good pip. You can even exit from here than holding to this top. Yeah, because things might change, it might change character, anything can happen. But it's just that this initial move, if you can catch it, you have actually gotten the stuff you actually need. You don't really have to hide this high 300 pips target in your mind. It must be it, because it might end up taking out this high and not even reaching up to it. Then you see it's crashing lower, maybe fundamental or anything happening, because this what we are trading is currencies, right? So maybe something happened in the country, or like anything can definitely happen. But overall, make sure you have a stop loss that will definitely what protect you. And this is a higher time frame analysis. You don't expect it to happen today, because this is on a daily time frame right now. As you can see, you don't expect all these home moves. It can take weeks to happen. You understand? You cannot expect it to happen like today as we are talking, because like this is a 1 hour time frame now. How many pips is it remaining like to our entry? Let me check. So basically, you can see this 50 something pips to our entry, 50 something, which is if you even take a sell here, you make profits, 50 pips profits, right? You can still go back up here before coming down, right? But like overall, you are entering at a premium level. You're not entering anywhere, because entering at OTE matters a lot. You understand? Entering at OTE matters a lot. So that is just that for now. So thank you guys for watching this YouTube video. Like, subscribe, share, comment. You understand? Join our Telegram for more updates. And basically, I'll keep dropping solid content on our YouTube channel. You understand? So that is just it for now. Bye bye.